Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, so glad you joined us, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and continue to see what content I have. But hope you enjoying your day. This video is about Boxycharm. This is my June 2020 base box. I feel like we have a love-hate relationship with Boxycharm. Some months we open up our box and we're really happy. We've got products that was in the spoilers that we were so looking forward to, new products. Other months we open it up, we see something that we didn't really want, whether it's the wrong color, something we just don't use, even a product from a past box and it's a repeat or it's broken or whatever, and we're like, Boxycharm, what the hell were you thinking? But I do love my Boxycharm and my beauty subscriptions, and I wanted to share with you, before I get into the base box, that in my beauty profile, I have that I'm comfortable with makeup, that I want half skincare, half makeup, the products that I enjoy at the top of my list when I ranked the products that I would be interested in receiving, eyeshadow palettes, bronzers, highlighters, lipsticks is at the top of my list. So keep that in mind. I've heard that they don't even look at our profiles. We'll see. Some people are not receiving what they had said that they wanted, whether they wanted all makeup or they want all skincare, and they're getting the opposite. But I want to show you my box, and I'm just kind of giving you a little background on my beauty profile and what I had put in mine. So let's dive in. Okay, here is my box. Open it up. Now some people are receiving a card and some people are not receiving a card. I did receive a card. This month's is the Oasis, and I received, let me see what variation. I think it is variation. I felt this even focus. I don't think it's going to focus. It is a variation 87. Okay, now I noticed I did receive products that are from previous boxes. I felt like I really didn't receive the items that were in the spoilers that they were really promoting. I did choose one of the items in here, but mainly they're products that were from previous boxes. I have been subscribed to Boxycharm since 2015, and I did unsubscribe, I think, almost a year ago. I did get last month's. I did get the May box, and I got to choose an item for this box. So let me just talk about, this is the item that I did choose. Now there were some products, the one that was the hydrating primer, it was not available. I guess even when you pick out a product and they send you that email, I guess you have to get in on time. Maybe I just got in on time on late, and then they just didn't have it available, and then there were some other products that were not available. I don't know if anybody else ran into that problem. But this, I wanted the hydrating one, but I was only able to choose this one. This is the Pore Professional, just the original pore primer from Benefit. So this retails for $32. The next item, now this is a repeat item. This one I did receive in a Boxycharm box before. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. It is in Mirage. The price of it is $44. I had to look, I was trying to remember. But I received a different shade the last time, and I believe I gave this to my daughter. I could try this out. And and to see how it looks as a highlighter. I don't know if I'll put it, I could try it to put a little small drop into my foundation, but I think this was a product that people either loved it or they didn't love it. And this one is another repeat item. I know that they did feature it on their website, and I think in some spoilers I saw from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I received a pair before, but in a different, it was more in, I think, a yellowish bordered box, or gold. This is pink. And these retail for $14.99. And they are in, they're real, I swear, is the type of lashes. So those are gorgeous. And they're natural enough for me to wear them. If they were more flashy, or I'm not sure that I would wear them. But I'm glad that these are natural. I will give those a try. And then this one is from, this is that KVD Beauty is their name now. This is, it still has Kat Von D. This is probably from when she had still, this is, had ownership in the company, but she is no longer affiliated with the company. So I feel like this is a product they're just trying to get rid of the products they have, or, and this is the Signature Brow Precision Pencil. I do love this. I have tried it out. I am so happy I received the brow pencil. And this is in taupe. Let's see if I get this out of the box. Okay, this is what it looks like out of the box. And that is the color. And that is the shade of this brow pencil. Okay, and the last product that I received, and this one people received in a previous box, but I have not received this one since I was unsubscribed for a period of time. This is the, from Touch and Soul, the Glossy Pretty Filter. This is a glossy skin balm. This is a moisturizing primer, I believe. And I love this stuff. I did try this, and it just kept my skin moisturized and soft all day. I do love this stuff. The only thing is it does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, but I really enjoyed it. Just my first impression of trying it. I will continue to try it and use it. But I absolutely was impressed with this. This is something, I really didn't read the reviews on this if anybody else was impressed with it. But I really enjoyed it for my dry skin. This is a great product. The only thing is there was a little bit of a fragrance, but it did wear off. It didn't linger. So I think this is definitely a plus for me. Okay, that is all the products I received in this base box, but this one is a hit for me. I'm very happy with this brow pencil. I feel like I don't really get enough brow pencils or brow products. But, you know, I had just resubscribed, so maybe there had been some other products in boxes that I didn't receive. But I'm really happy with this one. I was kind of like feeling meh about this one, since I received as one of these, but in a different shade in a past box. I think they could have put something else in this box besides the glitter drops, but I will give this a try. If I really don't feel like the glitter is for me, I'll give it away. And I believe I did give that other one to my daughter. And this one, I'm happy with this. This is one of the products that I did choose. I don't usually get a lot of primers unless they're just samples. And then this one, I will use these. The only thing is I wish they would have put something else in the box. Being that it was a past item, I did receive another, pair of lashes in another box from Boxycharm, and this I felt like they could have put something else different. But I am happy with these. I do like the natural look. So, I appreciate you watching. And I have some more Boxycharm to show you. And so, see you in the next video. Thank you again for watching.